Hi, I'm Stacia, and today I'm going to show you how to apply your bronzer to create a more lifted and sculpted effect on the face. You can use any of your favorite powdered bronzer, but mine is going to be Chantecaille's Goa. It's such a beautiful, soft, warm shade that it always gives my skin that summery glow. Placement is definitely the most important part about your bronzer application, but another thing is the tool that you use. I prefer to use a nice, soft, fluffy brush that gives my skin a little bit more of that transparent application. So you're just going to take the brush and swirl it into the product, and placement, again, like I said, is very important. So I like to think about it as a backwards 3 or a backwards E on the skin, and really blending back into the hairline, underneath the cheekbone, and then underneath the jawline for that more definition. So again, sweeping all the way back under the cheek, and you can see that you can always go back in for a little bit more concentrated application of color if you need it. I like to go back in a little bit heavier right underneath my cheekbone and always sweeping into the hairline so that you don't have a weird line of demarcation. So again, just really taking my time to buff this into the skin. And look at that difference. You can actually see that this side of my cheek is more lifted and sculpted, and the other side looks a lot rounder. So we'll go ahead and even that out. That backwards 3, that backwards E. I love the fact that bronzer can instantly give my skin that beautiful glow, and it almost creates a highlighted finish to the center of my face, even though I don't have any blush or highlighter on. So that is my favorite way to apply powdered bronzer. Thank you so much for watching. For more tips and techniques, please check out our Chantecaille YouTube channel. Bye-bye.